Presenting a pre-owned 1999 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. This two-door hatchback has an 8-cylinder, 5-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Pontiac has less than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motor Cars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.